Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is best business credit card of 2025 for massive rewards. Why business credit card are powerful tools. If you're running a business, big or small, you're likely spending money on ads, software, travel, inventory and much more. But if you could turn every dollar you spend into 3 flights, cashback and even 0% interest financing, that's the power of using right business credit card. Not just any card, but one of the matches how you maximize business spends. In this video, we are diving into the top business credit card of 2025 and how to maximize the reward they offer to grow your business faster. Card number 1, Chasing Business Preferred. Let's kick off with one of the most popular and most powerful card on the market, the Chasing Business Preferred. Here's why business owners love it. 3x point on key categories like travel, shipping, internet, phone services, and digital ads on platforms like Google and Facebook. A massive sign-up bonus, often worth over 100,000 in travel, when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. No foreign transaction fee. Great for international business travel. If you run ads on frequently travel, this card gives you maximized value per dollar. And because it earns Chase Ultimate Reward points, you could transfer them into transfer travel partners like United, Southwest, or Hyatt for even more value. Digital marketing agencies, consultant, and e-commerce owners spending big on ads and shipping. Best for. Card number 2, American Express Business Golden Card. The biggest company in America, which offers business credit cards and most popular in the world. Next up, the Amex Business Gold Card. This one is about the custom reward. You should earn 4x membership reward point on your top 2 categories each billing cycle automatically. Categories include airfare, advertising, gas station, restaurant, shipping and tech vendors, great travel perk and business insight tools via the Amex platform. This is smart card for dynamic spending. You don't need to choose category. Amex tracks your spending and adjusts your reward accordingly. And of course, Amex membership reward points can be transferred to dozens of airline and hotel partners, making the great choice if you travel often and want premium redemption. Best for growing business with shifting priorities, especially if you are spend across multiple categories month to month. Card number 3, 0% APR card. US Bank Business Platform Card. Now let's talk about financially flexibility. If you are looking to float expense or manage cash flow without internet and interest, check out the US Bank Business Platform Platinum Card. Here's a headline feature: 0% APR for 18 billing cycles. That's a year and a half with no interest on a purchase or billions transfer. This is perfect if you're investing in equipment, launching a campaign, or just breathing room without being penalized by high interest. Note, this card does not offer big rewards. It's purely financial tool. But if you are scaling on bootstrapping, the internet saving can be worth thousands. Best for startup, business with big upcoming purchases, or anyone who want to manage cash flow smarter. The card number 4 and the last card of this video. Straight up cashback. Capital One Spark Cash Plus. Looking for no hassle cashback? You love the Capital One Spark Cashback Plus. What it offers? The biggest question of all cards. Number 1, unlimited 2% cashback on every purchases. No categories, no limit. A 200 bonus each year if you spend $2 lakh or more. Then point number 2. And the top point number 3, no present spending limit. Give you business more flexibility. This is charge card, not a traditional credit card. So you pay the balance in full each month. If your business spends a lot and you want real money back, this is one of the best cashback machine available. Best for high spending business that wants simplicity, transparency and cash in hand. Honorable mention and tips. Make sure business expense works for you. Business credit card are most just payment tools. They are wealthy business tools when you use strategy. Need rewards? Go with Chase or Amex. Want 0% APR? Grab the US Bank Business Platinum. Want cashback? Spark Cash Plus has your back. Whatever your goal, free flights, better cash flow, or scaling your business, there's a card designed to help. Use them wisely, pay in full, and track those points and bucks. Hit the like and subscribe and drop a comment. What a card are you using and what reward you earned so far? Thank you for the video. Be inspired and stay tuned.